Okay, everybody, so on this page, we're going to be looking at revolutions in the Atlantic world. We've looked at the American Revolution, but in this section, we're going to look at ingredients of the revolution that happens across the Atlantic world. So bringing the lens out. I want you to spend time to watch the two videos below. That's the one big lecture that I break up into two spots. And there's going to be a question to answer below, dealing with the first part of the lecture and the second part of the lecture. Just your ideas, some brainstorming ideas, and I'd love to get your thoughts on that. This will take about 30 minutes to watch in all, so less than an hour to do all this work, and I think you'll come out of this understanding a little bit more of how the American Revolution has similar ties to what happens across the Atlantic world with the French Revolution, other revolutions, and how those have really lasting legacies in our world today. So enjoy, and I hope it goes well. I can't wait to see your thoughts in the brainstorms below.